Hi friends, welcome back to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all the recipe of cheese pav bhaji sandwich. It's a very yummy recipe and easy to make. For that we require bread slices, mozzarella cheese and pav bhaji. For the bhaji, in a pan I am going to take butter, two teaspoons, and let it melt on low flame. Then add crushed garlic to this, 1 teaspoon. And mix it well. Cook on medium flame for about 2 minutes or until the rawness is gone. After that, to this I am going to add finely chopped onion. I am using one medium sized onion over here. Mix it well on high flame. Once the onion is nice golden brown in color, to this I am going to add 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes and cook this on high flame. We want the tomatoes to become mushy. So cook on high flame. You'll see they have cooked down completely. Then add finely chopped capsicum to this, about 1 tablespoon. And add 2 tablespoons of green peas. Here I am using frozen green peas. You may use the fresh ones, but then you will need to boil them for about 5 minutes and then add it to the bhaji. Now I want to mash it with the masher. We don't want to make it creamy, but mash it a little and let it combine well on low flame. Mix it again on high flame and then add peeled, boiled and mashed potatoes to this, 2 medium sized potatoes. And combine everything well on high flame. Mix it well and then add some more butter. This is optional, so I am adding about 1 teaspoon of butter right now, and then I am going to mash it again so that everything combines well and there are no big chunks of potatoes. So mash it properly. Make sure not to make it creamy. A little potato bites are okay. And then add some water to this, about 1/4 to half cup of water or as required to adjust the consistency. And combine everything well on high flame. You'll see it has now combined well. At this stage, I am going to lower the flame and add turmeric to this, 1 teaspoon, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of ground cumin and coriander, 2.5 teaspoons of red chili powder or as per taste, and the star ingredient, the pav bhaji masala, 1 tablespoon or as per taste. And then add very little salt to this, because the pav bhaji masala contains salt, so add salt accordingly. And then mix it well and cook this on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the spices are cooked properly. After 3 minutes, I am going to add water to this Again 1/4 to half cup of water to adjust the consistency, and combine everything well on high flame. And our bhaji is ready. Let it cool down at room temperature. Now the bhaji has cooled down at room temperature. So we'll just mix it well so that it's easy to spread on the bread. I'll take a bread slice and put the bhaji onto it. Apply it properly and evenly. Put the other bread slice onto it and make a sandwich out of it. Perfect. Make the other sandwich the same way. And then we are going to transfer these sandwiches into a baking dish. Now I'm going to top these sandwiches with some cheese. Here I'm using mozzarella and cheddar cheese. You may use processed cheese and grate it if you want to. So spread the cheese onto the bread slice. Perfect. Now I'm going to sprinkle some pav bhaji masala onto it. Very little. A pinch should do it on each sandwich. Perfect. Now I'm going to preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake these for 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese has melted completely. So after 10 minutes, our sandwiches are ready. I'm going to assemble them in a serving dish. Looking delicious. And then garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is how our delicious and tasty cheese pav bhaji sandwich is ready. Serve it immediately. So yeah, please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Vivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.